AI talking avatars, the future of digital communication. The digital world is evolving rapidly, and AI talking avatars are at the forefront of this transformation. Whether for business, education, or social media, these AI-powered tools are making communication more interactive and engaging. But which free apps can help you create your own talking avatar? Let's explore.
So today we'll be learning how to use this amazing AI avatar to create videos by using images that can talk. So if this is the kind of video you've been wanting to do, then I think you should sit back, watch this video till the end, and I tell you one thing, it will be one of your best video ever. A lot of people are making money from it, so why not you? Just put this prompt in your Google search and then click on enter, and it's going to open this way for you. So the next step, you just click on get started. So when it open up for you, it's going to open this way for you. So let's see what this platform has for us, okay? So we have the home, we have the video studio, video translate, agents, video campaign, avatars, and lots more. So remember, it has a plan. You can use it for free to start up. So you can see trial, you're not going to pay anything for 14 days, and you're allowed to create 5 minutes long video. Then you have the next one, which is the 4.7 monthly, but we're going to change it. This is annually, we're going to change it to monthly. So monthly is 5.9, and you're entitled to 40 credits, and you have unlimited videos for your first month, right? And you can create a video up to 10 minutes, which is amazing. And it has everything in the trial section. Then you have the one for the pro, which is 29 dollars, and you're entitled to 60 credits. You can do 100 credits. You can see the more credits you want, the more expensive it is. You'll be getting 3 avatars, you'll be getting 1 clone voice, so you can clone your voice and use it, and so on. So you can just go on and check everything they have here. But let's click on start trial. Now when you click on start trial, it's going to open this way for us. Let's use one of the images here and see how it works. So let's use this one. Okay, so for you to use this one, you have to pay for it. It's not free. All right, so let's go choose a free one. So let's go to create avatar. So you can bring in a picture here. So we're going to bring in picture. But before you do that, the moment you click that, it will tell you to log in or for you to sign up. So we just click on sign up, and you can use your Google, your LinkedIn, or your Apple, or you can also put your email address here and click on continue. So the moment you put in your email address, Google, LinkedIn, or whatever platform you would like to use, it will open up this way for you the moment you sign up. So what do you want to use it for, personal or work? I'm going to click on work. You click on next. What department are you in? So I'm going to be putting in let's say learning and development. Let's see what it's going to give us. So it says knowledge base, so we're going to click on knowledge base. Click soft skills training, whatever, employee training, but I'm going to be putting knowledge base. And I'm going to be putting in this one, freelancer and solopreneur. Okay, then I'm going to be putting in only me. Who are my target audience? I'll just put in customers. And what industry does your company belong to? I'll put in training and education. How did you hear about us? I'm going to put in YouTube. So the moment you're done with all that, it will open up this way for you. So it said a special gift plus unlimited videos. So great to have you with us. To help you get going, we have added 20 free credits to your account. So they gave us 20 free credits, which is here. This is the credit here, okay? So let's go on. Now, we would like to pick one of these. Say get started. You see avatar video, video translation, agent, train a conversational agent your users will love. Okay, then avatar, clone yourself to be used inside the D-ID platform. So you can also clone yourself. Okay, let's see. Let me clone myself. Let's see how it will be. So create a video, then create with a photo. So I'm going to click on create with a photo. So you can use your own picture and you can also use these ones they have here. So I'll be picking one of the ones they have here. So I'm going to pick this one, okay? And I'll prefer the person to be very lively. Yes, you can see this. I want the person to be very lively and yes. So let's go on. Okay, so this is the person I'll be picking. Then the next one is we'll be clicking on the script. There's also a background, so you can add a background. So I'll be putting the person in a background. Prefer. Okay, let's put the person here. Then the next thing is I'll be putting in the script of what I would like the person to say. Okay. So what I did, I just went to ChatGPT and I created this write-up. Okay, I'll be clicking on it. Let's see. It shows me I can generate video. All right, so let's generate the video and see how it will be. So you just click on generate video, and this is the title is the rise. So this is the title, right? So I'll just click here, come here, paste the title there. Very important. So want to create longer videos. Your video is over 3 minutes long, so upgrade. All right, so they are telling me my video is over 3 minutes long. All right, let me rewrite it. And then you click on generate. So just wait patiently and see how the video comes out. But with the little I've done so far, I think this will be interesting. So it's saying it's generating, so let's be patient and see the outcome. So I made sure I told ChatGPT to give me a video that is less than 3 minutes because this is a free one. So if you're someone that you'll be looking for AI apps to use to create a talking avatar, then welcome to the future. So this video is going to show you the amazing talking avatars I found out. So let's watch what this talking avatar has for us. Let's go. Let's play it and see.
Artificial intelligence is changing the way we communicate, and AI talking avatars are leading the charge. From business to social media, these digital characters are making content creation more engaging and accessible. But how do they work, and which apps let you use them for free? Segment 1. What are AI talking avatars? Visuals of different AI avatar apps being used. AI talking avatars use deep learning and text-to-speech technology to create lifelike digital speakers. These avatars are used in marketing, education, and entertainment to deliver messages in a dynamic way.
Wow, everyone. This is amazing. Don't you think so? So what we're going to do is we can also just edit it again to position her very well so that she will be positioned well. Maybe we'll make her bigger and make her to stand this way. Okay, so you can see that you notice something. So if we click on this part where it says fit to page, if you click on it, you can see it fits to page. And for me, it looks better. Can you see it? Now, the thing here is what I noticed is when we had the video playing, you notice that it had the D-ID on it. So you have the logo due to it's free. But for me, I think if you have the money, go ahead and pay for it. It is also very affordable and it can change your story online forever as well. So let's play it one more time and see how it is. Shall we? Now, when you click on generate, you're going to see it shows you credits here. Here, it shows you credits. Have you seen it? And it's showing me for me to generate this video that is less than 3 minutes, I'm going to be spending 9 credits. So ask yourself, do you want to spend 9 credits for the video? If yes, you go ahead and you generate it. So I'm going to be generating another video. So let's generate another video and we'll play that one and see how it goes. So the moment you have put in your write-up, number one, you can get your write-up by creating it through ChatGPT, or you can get your write-up by you creating it yourself. So if you want me to create a video concerning ChatGPT and how I use it, you can put it in the comment section and I'll be creating a comprehensive video of how I use ChatGPT for my videos and a lot of things you see me do. Okay, so we're going to be clicking on here, generate video. When you click on it, you put in the title and it's going to show you your credits. So my credit is supposed to be 20 credits, but I have used one. I don't like the turnout of the video, so I'm doing another video. So it says for this video I would like to do, it's going to take 8 credits. So I'll just click on generate and we're going to wait and see the outcome of the video. So as we wait for the AI to do its thing and prepare to show us the magic of a talking avatar, I would like to welcome everyone's watching. If this is your first time of seeing us, we are Alpella Academy. And thank you so much to our subscribers. We love you. And if you know you are not part of the community, please kindly click on the subscribe, like, share, put your comment in the comment section of whatever video you have challenges on or whatever you have challenges online, and we will be doing a video about it. And don't forget to share this video to someone that's been crying, I don't know how to create videos, especially the talking avatar video. Please share it to them so that they will learn and also change their story. And I'll be giving us different kinds of talking avatar. So pick the one you would like to use and change your story online. Also, if you have not joined UPL community, then click the link below where you see WhatsApp channel. That's our academy channel. Join our channel and you have an opportunity to always attend our trainings, whether they are free or paid. And guess what? Because you're part of the community, you will always have a percentage if there is discount to be given to anyone. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below and join our Pella Academy WhatsApp channel. So let's continue our training. So the moment it's done, it's going to tell you your video has been successfully created. You can see the video has watermark on it. What do? Pay for it and enjoy your talking avatar to change your story online. You can use it to start up a Christian channel. You can use it to start up a news channel. You can use it to start up a cartoon channel. You can use it to start up a podcast. You can use it to start up whatever you would like to do with it. And guess what? It will make so much money for you. And oh yes, you can monetize it and spread it all over your social media platform. The talking avatar has come to stay. AI has come to stay. Work with it and change your story. Thank you guys for watching this. I hope you learned one or two. Make sure you watch the next video that will pop up at the end of this training.
AI talking avatars. The future of digital communication. The digital world is evolving rapidly, and AI talking avatars are at the forefront of this transformation. Whether for business, education, or social media, These AI-powered tools are making communication more interactive and engaging. But which free apps can help you create your own talking avatar? Let's explore. Top free AI talking avatar apps. Showcasing AI app, DID. This app animates photos into talking avatars, making it perfect for educational and business applications. These apps are transforming industries. Businesses use them for marketing, educators for virtual lessons, and creators for engaging social media content. But as AI avatars become more advanced, questions about authenticity and ethics arise. The AI talking avatar revolution is here, shaping the future of digital communication.
Remember to subscribe, like, share, put your comment in the comment section. The AI talking avatar you'll be using next. Thank you guys and see you next time. Bye bye.